and today we're in BeamNG Drive, and I'm actually using OBS. So if my voice sounds better, that's why. It's more advanced. I was just using the simple browser. But anyway, you guys really like that last tornado video, so we're gonna be doing it again, except a little different. Here we go. This little guy right here lets me randomize the vehicle, so let's go ahead and do that. Not sure I can. That's better. Oh, okay. Well, I didn't mean for that. We'll just do that. All right. So this is the vehicle we're doing. I'm actually quite happy with this. I think it knew. We started with this last time. So yeah, it's set to a I think it's the ET8K that I started with. So we're just gonna go ahead and chase me. Come on. Our escape point is the. Okay, it's really not that fast, and I am. Oh, jeez. It's fine. I'm just gonna slow down here. Make that turn. Oh, jeez. Oh, my steering's broken. I think it's dead. Oh, it's pulling me in. I think it's broken. I don't think it's gonna work anymore. Plus, it's just an EF1, so oh, my tires popped. Oh no! Oh no! Let's go ahead and restart this, but let's do an EF2. Alright, so in EF2, we're gonna randomize vehicle. Please don't give me something stupid and something drivable. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's not that bad. Also, I don't think it's... Oh, never mind. I am not disappointed anymore. We're not doing random parts. It's just random vehicle. I think this is a mod because I don't know if that's an actual thing. But anyway, let's just go ahead and chase them. And I'm not gonna go down that way because they can't control it. It is a faster vehicle too, by the way. It's right behind me, isn't it? Oh. Oh jeez. Okay, it's fine. Oh no, I can hear it. Oh no, I'm flooring it. This thing's fast. My goodness. There's no brake lights. Why are there no brake lights? I feel like as a police car, they should have brake lights. They have siren. Oh, it's got lights, yeah. Oh my. Oh no. Oh. No. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, that's a. It's dragging me. Oh my goodness gracious. What's happening? Oh wait, hold on. Oh, I think it's broken. Oh no, it's yeah. Let's go ahead and pick a new vehicle. Oh my gosh. See, I have to do it because it's drivable, and oh. I don't think we're gonna last very long. No, not that one. I want chase me. The best I could do is dodging skills. So we're just gonna go here. I can hear it back there. Come on. Oh jeez. Come on, bus. Come on. Oh, it's fine. Oh, it's not fine. Actually, hold on. Back up. It's not fine. Well, let's try that again. Okay, here we go. Please don't give me a big bulky vehicle. Oh, This is not bad. I think the engine on this one's just annoying, but let's go ahead. Chase me. You know what? We're gonna take a different route. We're gonna go up here. Oh no, up here was a bad idea. No. Oh, hold on. Fling me out. You know what? Let's actually do that again because I made a stupid choice. Okay. Yeah, we're just gonna take the same route we took with the police dragster. Now the only problem, this car is definitely not as fast as that. It's not a supercar, but it's not oh. Fling me, come on, get me out of here. Oh, okay, we're just being dragged along. Okay, I hit a tree. Oh. No. Okay, so far I'm still driving. Yes. No. Yes. Okay. Oh, no. All right, let's randomize the vehicle. This is a bad idea. I'm regretting everything now. Okay. Okay, that's an error. Okay. Actually, I'm not mad about this one. This one's fast. I'm just gonna reset. I don't know why it spawned a different way. Alright. Let's do this. I was about to say. Oh, jeez. Just gonna lead them around here. Fort. Punch it. Yep, here we go. Oh. Okay, we're doing good, Oh. Okay. Oh, it's right there. Okay. Oh, did I mention it's not this tower, it's the other one? I decided to make stuff harder for myself. 'Cause, see, look, it would have been too easy if it was this one. It would have sucked me off the cliff anyway, so. Alright, just gonna... Okay, I have no idea what the heck that was. Oh, it's right there. Oh, no! No! Okay, it's fine. Oh! Come on. Hornet. We really don't play with the Razor a lot in BNG. Okay, we're definitely not faster than it. I'm pretty sure it has a higher top speed, but we can take turns faster than it can. And you know what? We know how the AI does on these. It actually might slow down. Oh! No! It's a pull! Okay. I know something though. It won't do that. Did I pop my tire? No, I just messed it up. Okay. Oh jeez. Okay, it doesn't turn very well anymore, but that's fine. Oh. Okay. I love this corner. Okay, we're almost there. No! Fix it, come on. Oh no, I think it made it worse. I don't even know where the tornado went. But I can tell you something. We made it. And yeah, the parking lot is fine. Hey, at least we made it one time, right? That's good. Oh. Okay, it's an EF3. I'm not gonna go a different way since I know this route and we made it. But it's just the radius is much farther. Oh no. Alright, we're going this way. I didn't want to try and turn and take out wheels. Oh no. Okay. We need to get going. Come on. get going. Oh. Alright, we're doing good, we're doing good. Drifting. Why was that actually really cool drift? Actually, we got this guy in the dust. I'm gonna go this way. Past the studio. Sure, drift it. I'm drifting it. Oh, I was about to. What the? Oh, I was about to say. I thought he was going over the cliff there for a second. I was like, what? Alright. Just slowing down here. Why are we actually escaping this? So that means after this, we actually have to. Oh, yeah. I think I'm just more comfortable with the route in the car. So I'm not, like, going slower. But I'm gonna drift it. Oh! Okay, maybe not. I am gonna cut across here, though. I don't even know. What the? Sorry, hold on. I don't know why this showed up. Hold on, that wasn't even a drift. Oh, sorry. Oh, hold on. Oh, I was gonna whip it around. It didn't whip around. What sec? Reverse. Come on, let's go. I don't have my automatic. I don't have my shifter out. I should, but just for the. See, now you should have pulled up the drifty thing. See, look, now you should have pulled up the drifty thing. I'm gonna jump it. Yeah. No. Oh. Well, I mean, we don't have to drive back up there. It's just. Oh, we could just drive off. Bye, sucker. Oh, this thing didn't turn. Oh, I think, man. It's fine, just lost a wheel, you know. And that. Okay, now at this point, I don't even know. Alright, let's go ahead and get a new vehicle. That's a cliff. Oh, actually, this thing's pretty durable. Something good. What the? Oh, mod. Genuinely, I'm not gonna use this. You know what? It's fine. We're gonna use it. It's a monster truck, but oh yes, if you're wondering why I'm not getting monster trucks, it's because I disabled the monster truck mod. So, oh my gosh, this thing doesn't. No. This thing heavy or something? Oh. All right then. Why is the drive shaft up here? What? I don't even know where I got this from. It was realistic, but... Oh, jeez. Oh, okay, new vehicle. Something good, please. Okay, I'm not gonna be mad with this one. You know what we need? We need the tornado chaser. Oh. Okay. We need the tornado or the Dominator 1. Was it 4? I think it's 1. Oh, we're definitely not faster than it. But we can. Now it's smart it. Oh, I lied. We can't. This is just like the normal version. Oh, it's right behind us. No! No! Oh, jeez. Oh my goodness. Don't worry, I can get out of this. Grab it. Get it out. Come on. Yep. Yep, there we go. Nope, never mind. Don't worry, I got this. Oh, I ripped something off. Oh, that's a bumper. Oh, yeah, there we go. Oh, no. No, 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 no. Uh. Oh. Alright, let's get a new vehicle. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Give me some good. Give me some good. Okay. 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 I can do this. I can do this. Oh, it's a drift machine. Good thing I'm good at drifting. I'm really not. As just shown. Oh no, this is drift monster. Oh, but we are fast. I think he crashed. Did he crash? He crashed. Dang it, that means we gotta reset. Oh, I reset too close. Up. Okay. Oh no, I slowed down. I meant to take that turn over there. Oh, that's a building. We're gonna hit something besides the ground. My spoiler. Oh, wait. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Out of it. Out of it. Out of it. Come on. This is cheating by all levels. It's not gonna get out of it anyway. Come on. Wait. It's working. Yes. We did it. Yeah. Oh. That's not good. Oh. Alright, let's get a new vehicle. Alright, new vehicle time. Okay, we're a police officer. I won't be mad with this. To be honest, we've gotten some really good cars. It's just my driving. Like I said, my driving. I'm not gonna reset. It's fine. It's fine. We'll just do that. Wee woo, wee woo. Oh, I was gonna take that turn, but never mind. You know what? Here, I'll help you, buddy. Woo! Alright, perfect, and we can drive up. I just heard a crash. Oh, that's what happened. Oh. I'm not gonna go up on that ramp. Are you kidding me? This guy keeps crashing up there. Come on, just chase me already. Okay, now he's after me. Oh yeah. I'm gonna reset him like 5 times. It's fine. I'm just gonna go up through here. Yeah, I mean that last video blew up. So back at it again. You guys really like tornadoes. Oh, oh, oh. It's fine. Oh no. Okay, it's not fine. He's after us. He's definitely close. Oh no. When the turn! Okay, it's fine. We just messed up the steering a little bit, which is annoying, but... Okay, don't clip the side of that, please. I think we're almost like the same speed. Hopefully he's not faster. Oh, okay, we can't turn. Okay. I was full steering right there. Okay, it's fine. It's just, it's a, oh, it's fine. Come on, come on, come on, turn that way. Oh no, the sparks. Hold on, is this thing not heavy enough to take off? Oh hey, what's up? Why are we not lifting off the ground? Hold on. Oh, oh, that's a wall. I think this thing's heavy. I mean, we're getting a little air, but not like. I think we lost here. We didn't. Yeah. Oh. Ow. It's fine. Haha. Oh. We're fine. Ow. Okay. I think it's just my driving. Oh. 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 Jeez. Oh. All right. New vehicle. We're just gonna ignore that happened. I swear, if I get a bus. Okay. Okay. We get a 50-second head start. I think I clicked follow me instead of chase me on accident. Yeah, there we go. That's better. If I escape in this... Okay, I already know it's not gonna happen. I mean, unless I juke him out, like, really bad, like... What the heck? What am I even supposed to do in that situation? Oh, oh my. Oh. We're a tornado ourselves. Okay, we're going up. Hold on. Does this even work? Oh, no. No, it doesn't. Oh, the balance. Alright then, let's randomize. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. Okay. Not, oh, hello? I'm gonna drop this one. Oh, jeez. Why did I go down this way? Okay, we're actually escaping him. Oh, at least this one has steering. Why do supercars, like, have no steering? Like, at all? And then these ones have, like, great steering. And then supercars are like, oh, I thought he was down there in the ditch. Let's have no steering at all. Who came up with that? Ugh. But why are we actually gapping this thing? I feel like we should not be gapping anything in this thing. Especially... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, hold on. He spun out. Or he hit a pole. Okay. Oh, no! Okay, he's on his way now. I'm flooring it. Pedal is to the metal. See, like the other car didn't make that at all. Then here I am going 80, and oh jeez. You know, I wonder if the name is like the person who made this car. Okay, that's got to be one of the BeamNG, or one of the people who works for BeamNG. I'm gonna look up where the BeamNG headquarters is. If that exists, it's probably somewhere in like Florida or California, because that's usually where. Oh, I hear it. Oh no. Bye, sucker. Oh jeez. Oh. Oh no, the radiator. It's always the radiator. I don't even. Oh jeez, I shouldn't have drifted. We're not gonna make it up here before over here. Well, never mind. I lied. It's not going up that fast. What do you mean? That wasn't a drift. This is a drift. Okay, I don't think. Okay, that was a drift. 1 second. What are these points even used for? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now that's a drift right there. New record, 249. Nice. I barely even use it anyway. We made it. Move back onto the. Hold on, I got this. Yeah, we made it up here. Hold on, I'm just gonna overheat the engine real quick and just finish it off. Yeah. Oh, let me just. Oh yeah, look at that white smoke. What kind of? Oh, it's getting slower. This way. This is taking a while. It's slowing down. There we go. Hopefully it's something good. Oh no. You know, most people will be like, oh yes. Oh no, because why is it white? It's not even a thing. Alright. Oh no, because I can't control these things. I think we all know why. If you watched the racing video. Oh my gosh, I was about to say, are you kidding me right now? I thought it was just the torque, but no. Alright, well, good thing about these. Nothing. I was gonna say it can jump, but I lied. Okay. Now, problem is, I'm probably going to spin it on the road a lot. If I make it in this, I will be very, very impressed with myself. Like, really, really impressed. It's fine. Yep. See, you have to be very, very touchy with these. Like, barely any steering at all. So, like, yeah, do that. It's barely. Oh no. Oh no! Oh jeez. Oh, it's ripping our oh, that's a fence. Oh. Oh, hey, car. Well, I'll see you guys next time on Hunt of the Creator. I think I'm stuck here, but, wait. Oh. Hold on. Yeah. Escaping. Oh, no. I think I did something. Oh. Oh. I'll see you guys next time on Hunt of the Creator. Bye.